Okay. Hello guys. Welcome to Ronnieflip tutorials. So let me just hold in this window just right here, right here. Yep. Yeah. Welcome to Ronnieflip tutorials. Today I'm just going to be talking about something. I just got recently an intrusion. Not a direct intrusion, but these guys, put a port on. They were listening on one of my ports that support 5002. They were listening, and I had put a malicious software to listen on my port, on that port. So I got concerned about doing a tutorial about how to close ports. Okay, without wasting any time, we should just go straight into it. Please, guys, if anybody could take these guys down for me, that would be a favor. All right. So I just got so fascinated about this the Windows it's a Windows software. It comes with a Windows CD, and it's called IPsec. IPsec. If I'm to go to my now what you have to do, you have to have your Windows installation CD. Now for me, since I'm too lazy, I have a couple of them right here. I'm too lazy to buy one, so sorry about that. If I were to kind of go inside here and go to my support, your CD, you go to the support, and then tools, you find them inside here. If you go try to extract this, you extract this. Let me just put it up for you. You just extract all these tools, uh, and just go inside your program files, as in programs and program files. Then you create a new folder. You name it support tools. It will be great. So I'm hoping everybody has done that. That's not a big lesson. So we start up our CMD. Yeah, no more GUI stuff. So when we start up our CMD, this is what we're going to do to it. We're just going to locate where sorry about that, where we are below where we created us a folder, because we're going to use some of those utilities inside the folder. So we just locate it. That is CD program files, uh, CD program files slash, and the name that you named it must matters a lot. So for this case, and then the support tools, and then when I enter, if we to take a look at this, you can see that. Now, first of all, you make a diagnosis of your environment to see how you're standing. We just use this command. You just type netdag slash test colon, then IPsec, then enter. You wait for a minute, and then you see, just because I have already a policy running, just I've told you I had a problem with this port. That is the port of 55002. It's filtered. I said it to be filtered because I wanted it to be blocked, because these guys were listening on it. The guys from the Asian Pacific Network Information Center. They thought I was doing something malicious. So anyway, the best way to know what ports are running on your system, who is the victim, who is infecting you, is there anybody listening to you, is there anybody trying to tap you, you use the Netstat tool, the Netstat command, Netstat -a. When you click Netstat -a, it shows you all the ports that are running and all the ports that are listening. You see, I have a couple of ports that are listening here, and if I'm to view them, I see all of these ports. I just give this port to something else so that it cannot be used by anybody else. I have all these ports are really running, and they're listening. Oh my goodness! I wonder what kind of guy am I, because I even have my net BIOS port on my net BIOS is listening, so anybody can tap into me. But I have quite a number of other redundant ports that are not running. But then this proves more like nothing completely for us to come into a direct conclusion that there's somebody listening to us. How about we use a Netstat -b? wow, this is excellent. It will blow off your mind, because you see what it does. It shows you all the ports with their executable files that are running, because in case somebody's placed a trojan onto your system, or any listening malware onto your system, you will get to know the exe files that are running on each port. Now for my case, I have an exe file running terrain, because definitely I'm a terrainer. I need to stream those terrains for free, because I told you I'm a lazy guy, and I have my iExplorer also, it's running. So not to fear much, but if you find any port that is kind of non-familiar, the only ports that I'll tell you that you'd like you to find is a port is a an application and a .exe file called ALG. Actually, the full name of that file of that it stands for Application Layer Gateway. It's detected, but that's not a virus. That's not a Trojan. It's not anything bad, because what this application does, it just allows your clients, such as the MI clients, the RTSP, BitTorrent, SIP, and FTP to function very well. So you don't have to get to worry about that. So to get into the thing, let's just follow with me. So I'm just assuming there's a port that you want to block, badly that I do. So I'll start it. I'll just start IPsec. Just mine this capital sensitiveness. IPsec cmd.exe, then space dash minus w, then reg minus p. This is a small a lowercase p, in open, then block, because you want to block, right? Sorry about this. Then in case it's a TCP port, I place TCP. In case it's a UDP, you place UDP. So in this case, it's a TCP port, and then I'll go to my 5.0.0.5.0.0.2, and then I'll say filter, right? Then I close this. I just go ahead, minus R. This is a lowercase, minus R. I space it, block again. I have to block it. I'm blocking that port. Sorry about this. I block it, and then I block. Now this time I'm blocking all inbound connection, all inbound connections, all ports that are trying to take in inbound. This port, it should not allow inbound messages or inbound services. So I just block it via its TCP, and then the port that I'm blocking is 5.0.0.2, and I just write here TCP. Sorry, this has to be uppercase, then minus n. Minus n, block. Then finally minus x. When this is all said and done, no, please, I just missed something very useful just right here in the middle. And as I was supposed to say, TCP, block my TCP port 5.0.0.2, and then that rule, there has to come a rule, because this is a rule. It has to be a rule. This has to be lowercase rule, and then minus f, right? That was the most important thing that I have forgotten. Minus f space is equal to 0. This is equal to 0, colon, and my port that I'm blocking, and definitely it's on TCP, then minus n, block, minus n, then block, then finally minus x, and then I close. I don't have to close it. Then that's it. Then with this, you just press enter, and you see what's down here. The command completed successfully. So how about we do a NetDad in NetDad research on it to see what has exactly happened, right? So when you do that, you see something like that goes like IP security test passed, service status is started, automatic, and it shows you the policy down here. But in case it's not successful, you won't see anything like this. It will show you like it's not something like a fast IPsec policy service is active, but no policies assigned, something like that. It will be shown to you, and now you're ready to go. Your everything is just so fine. I hope you guys, this has been really a very interesting tutorial for you. I'm just reminding you just to go to my YouTuber uh, YouTuber form, and then you can check out for more videos. Please in the comment, if possible subscribe. Thank you.